Good afternoon. It's July 24th, and today we had a big sell off. Um, it's much easier to explain on this chart, the 30,000 tick chart. So we had this channel down, looks like from July 17th, so that's last week, until um, perhaps the 20th, 19th. Was the 19th a Sunday or something? Friday? I don't know. But uh, July 19th, and then we had this channel up. And so, something Mac always says is when you have a channel, you get a break and a move to a new low. So what happened here is we get this channel up after the break. We haven't had a move to a new low. And then today we gap down. After a break of this channel, we gap down. And I think I had my channel a little steeper. And we get this huge sell-off. So what I was looking at on this chart was the top of here yesterday, this right before the sell-off, to uh, the the low of this bear bar after the gap down. So that was the first target, and what we got was spike and channel. So on this chart, 6500 tick chart, it's very clear that this is a spike and channel. And then we moved into a broader channel right here, probably like that. And then we get a break and a second entry short, and boom, we get a second, or not a second, another big leg down. And so days like today, you have to hold for a swing. You just have to. Let me delete all these. I was looking for targets, and prices never bounced. So uh, one other thing is, look at these corrections. The biggest correction today was this correction, which was a little larger than 11 points, about 13 points. These were like this correction right here was about 11, and this correction right here was about 11, and we just kept selling off. You have to be able to hold on a day like today. I couldn't, for whatever reason, I just couldn't bring myself, and I've never had success with this, so I'm hoping that I get over this fear soon. But I just couldn't hold today. And all you got to do is put your stop below each new break to a new low. So you would put it here after it came down to here. After this, you would put it right there. After this, you would put it right there. After this, maybe this or maybe that. After this, you would put it here. After this, see, I'd probably put it here. I probably would have gotten stopped out. So that's something to think about, but it's a very, very easy way to make a lot of money. So anyway, um, all right. Something I saw a lot of today and since last night was these channels. When Al Brooks says when something unexpected happens, traders usually look for the measured move. Well, look at this. We're in this bull channel up, and we get this breakout. And look where we hit resistance. Right at that measured move of the bull channel. And then it sells off. So that was last night. Let's see, skip ahead. We're in this range. 5 o'clock comes in, and you get two strong bear bars in a row. So maybe if you're going for a swing and looking for this measured move, maybe you hop in there. That's aggressive though, and your risk is big. Here I was wondering if I just drew the measured move just in case we broke out to the high side, but you can see the bulls just weren't strong. Um, Boom, we sell off. You get this lower high. Maybe you take that. I was feeling like it was a little risky since we're close to the measured move. You can see there's some profit taking at the measured move, then it just continues on down. And I think at this point, I think you should probably just get in. And I would sell above this bar, is what I would do, or that's what I would suggest. Again, here we get this bull channel breakout, hits the measured move, and then you get this lower high, boom. So we're chopping lower. This was a little difficult, but again, if you're looking at this chart, this was such a clean channel. And look, these bull bars are not big. 2 dojis followed by a bear bar. Sell that. And look at all those bear bars. Oof, man. So it's chopping. You gotta get in here somehow, and you have to hold this stuff. Like look at the EMA holding prices on this chart. Could barely, they got a small gap above the EMA right there, but nothing here. You could probably take either of these, second entry short and then a lower high. Couple legs down, you could probably take this one. Boom, we bounce. I like this lower high. I like this one too. You get stopped out, I think. But that's what I'm saying is you gotta hold. You just gotta hold. We create a gap right here, but there's just not enough evidence of here, boom. This lower high, I don't think you can take that second entry short because it looks like one move up. You take that short, boom, come here, and then we start making these higher lows. But here's what you might be able to see. And I mean, I like this one. So we come back to the bottom, it bounces, okay? Then you get this higher low, and then you get bad follow through, and we come up short of this trend line. And that is what began this last move down. So that's a sign that this bull move is failing. Let me get this. This is a channel. And so you can hop in here too. But that's really it. I mean, it's still selling off. This thing's probably going to close on its low today. Huge sell off. Let's take a look at the daily chart. Just a massive sell off. And we've just been so overdue for this. Let's say it's right there. And if it's not there, you could argue for it to be steeper like this. That one looks pretty good too. I mean, this thing's just been going crazy since November. Just insane. Over, let's see. We moved up 1,400 points. That's insane. So, this sell-off is it's overdue. And, maybe we get a move like this that would bring us down to like 53.50. We're not far from that. But this is just a lot of profit taking. So anyway, hope everyone had a great day. I'll be back tomorrow.